Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, it is very surprising, and I would say it is very disappointing to get such a reply for a question. Sir, my question was whether it is a fact that the public transport system is not sufficient to meet the present demand of commuters in Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation area. For this, the reply is no, sir. Fine. If you're saying no, okay. Sir, but I would like to know, sir, because the transport system is sufficient, is the reason for the losses of RTC? Please reply to this. Is this the reason for losses, sir? Sir, everybody knows if the present transport system, the RTC is sufficient, then what is the need and the necessity for the metro train? Because there is a requirement, there is a necessity, that is why we are going for this. And the reply shows the seriousness of the government and the concerned ministry. Sir, I have all the details. I would say that how is it not sufficient? Sir, it is, we require more buses. And the question B is that, sir, whether it is also the fact that many old buses of Telangana State Road Transport Corporation are running even after completion of their average lifespan. The reply for this again is no, sir. Sir, I have all the details. I'll give it to you, sir. If not, I will pass it on to the Honorable Minister, sir. Sir, for this, my question to the Honorable Minister, sir, is that, sir, what is the average lifespan of a bus? Kindly give an answer to this. Third question, sir. Sir, I would like to know from Honorable Minister, sir, as to what is the total number of buses running in GHMC area, and give me the types of buses which are running, AC, non-AC, or luxury buses, or ordinary buses, or mini buses. And with the same time, also please provide the details of all the buses, the age of the buses, sir. That is very important, sir. Sir, and I would also like to know, sir, I am being very specific question, sir, and I hope I would get reply for this, sir. Sir, how many buses are running on private basis? How many buses are running in RTC from the private contractors who have given their buses? And how many years old are those buses, sir? Sir, I would also like to know, sir, how many bus stops are there in GHMC area? And how many bus shelters? I mean, the bus shelters are there in the area, sir. And how many new buses have been added in the last 2 years? And how many new bus shelters have been added in last 2 years, sir? Sir, I would also like to know from the Honorable Minister, sir, please give the details of the age of the buses, and what is the amount spent and collected yearly from the buses running in GHMC area, sir? What are the losses of the RTC in GHMC area, sir? What is the total number of post-sanction drivers, conductors, and depot staff, sir, like managers and all, sir? Sir, and also, sir, I would like to know what is the number of vacancies, total number of vacancies, and the posts which are sanctioned for women, sir. How many of these posts have been de-reserved after not getting applications for women staff, sir, in RTC, in GHMC area? What is the government doing to de-reserve this woman post, sir? This is very important, sir. And, sir, what is the average kilometer covered by RTC buses in GHMC area in 1 day, sir? Average, I would like to know, sir. So, what, and, sir, I would also like to know, sir, what is the losses of RTC cause of traffic jams, sir? Sir, question hour में ऐसी करते साहब.
Please listen to me. Go. మీరు చాలా సీనియర్ సభ్యులు, మీరు అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ మీరు పోతున్నటువంటి డెప్త్ క్వశ్చన్ అవర్లో దీనికి ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వడానికి అవకాశం ఉంటుందని మీరు అనుకుంటే నేను కంఫర్టబుల్ టైం ఇవ్వడానికి సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నాను.
You have rightly said, sir, that I am a senior member, but with all my experience of being in a legislative assembly, sir, a member asks specific questions. Let it be 5, let it be 10, or let it be 12. I have been for so many years, sir, and my passion was question hour, sir, in Andhra Pradesh Legislative Assembly also. I used to one by one ask questions and I used to get the answers also, sir. I would like to recall and say that, sir, the best minister, I would say, in my entire legislative career, I would say, one was Mr. Roshaya and the second was Mr. Kadiyam Srihari, sir. They used to reply to each and every question. If question hour में अगर हम क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछ सकते हैं तो फिर कैसा होगा साहब? मैं तो पूछूंगा साहब और मुझे आंसर देना है नहीं देना है वो उनका इख्तियार है.
నేను మిమ్మల్ని ఇంటరప్ట్ చేస్తలేను. ఇప్పుడు మీరు అడిగినటువంటి క్వశ్చన్ వివరాలన్నీ ఈ క్వశ్చన్ అవర్ కు సరిపోయేంత టైం కంటే ఎక్కువ పడతాయనే విషయాన్ని గుర్తు చేస్తున్నాను అంతే. నేను మీరు యూ కెన్ స్పీక్.
सर मेरा काम क्वेश्चन पूछना है सर, जरूरी नहीं है मैं जो पूछा उसका रिप्लाई देना गवर्नमेंट का. उन्हें देना चाहे दे सकते, नहीं देना चाहे नहीं दे सकते. मैं उसके बाद मेरा इख्तियार है, मैं प्रोटेस्ट करके वॉकआउट कर सकता हूं. लेकिन क्वेश्चन भी नहीं पूछना अगर बोले तो कैसी बात है साहब? नए नए चीजें दिख रहे साहब. हम रोज सुबह आते थे असेंबली में, आते पूरे क्वेश्चन के आंसर्स दे देते थे. अब बोल रहे हैं कि जैसा क्वेश्चन आएगा जब ही आंसर देंगे. ये कौन से रूल पोजीशन में है साहब? ये
అక్బరుద్దీన్ గారు
असेंबली में मत बुलाओ साहब.
నా ఫీలింగ్ చెప్పిన నా ఫీలింగ్ మీరు అడగండి నేను మీకు గుర్తు చేస్తున్నా అంతే. మిమ్మల్ని అడగద్దు.
डिक्टेटोरियल डेमोक्रेसी नहीं होना साहब. We have to be a very accommodative and a very vibrant and an open democracy.
నేను మిమ్మల్ని
ये ऐसा हो गया साहब के हम जैसा चाहे वैसा चलाएंगे बोले तो ठीक है साहब मैं चले जाता हूँ, क्वेश्चन भी नहीं पूछता हूँ.
ప్రశ్న మిమ్మల్ని అడగమంటున్నా. నా ఇబ్బంది నా ఫీలింగ్ చెప్పిన. ఓకే
Sir, I would like to know from your, sir, through you, sir, I would like to know, will the Hyderabad Metro Rail run minibuses?
Speaker sir, so with all due respect to my friend Akbar Owaisi sir, the word dictatorial democracy is something that is definitely not warranted sir. Most certainly the house is being run in a very very democratic fashion under your leadership sir. So to question the chair or to even accuse or to even cast aspersions saying dictatorial democracy as paddhati kaadu, I request the honorable member is a senior member sir, senior legislator. All the honorable chair said to you was or had commented was that your questions obviously will take you asked very elaborately the follow-up questions. As a result, the minister would require a lot of time. In fact, that might take the entire question hour is what the honorable speaker was saying. So all he was suggesting was that you have demands anyway. This is budget session. Demand तो है ही. डिमांड में भी आप ये मुद्दे उठा सकते हैं, डिमांड में भी आप बात कर सकते हैं. तो इसी वास्ते नहीं आप साहब एक मिनट सुन तो लीजिए साहब आप तो तहकीकात नहीं आप तहकीकात करने शुरू हो गए साहब जो आपने अकबर साहब सुन तो लीजिए सुन तो लीजिए सरकार. अरे सुन तो लो भाई. स्पीकर साहब ने खुद कहा आपसे अकबर साहब स्पीकर साहब ने आपसे खुद कहा. No, my only request to you is you can always have these follow-up questions in your demands, but to ask such elaborate questions and to expect answers from the minister at this point of time in a question hour is not appropriate, is what the chair was saying. Sir, you can't dictate to the chair. You cannot dictate to the chair. In fact, you said dictatorial democracy. I request you to withdraw your words. Dictatorial democracy कहाँ से हो गई?
మినిస్టర్ గారు అక్బరుద్దీన్ గారు మీకు नहीं होना चाहिए అంటే గదే మీనింగ్. మాకు కూడా కొంత భాష వస్తుంది. अपन भी थोड़ा समझते मगर ఓకే ఇప్పుడు మీ నిర్ణయానికి మీ విచక్షణకే మిగతా విషయాలు వదిలిపెట్టి చెప్పండి. యూ కంటిన్యూ.
Sir, I have not said that there is a dictator. मैं नहीं बोला साहब उस बात पे.
Please continue.
मैं आपसे यही बोलूंगा साहब कि मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं, क्वेश्चन का मुझे आंसर होना है.
ओके
और आंसर देना नहीं देना मिनिस्टर साहब का इख्तियार है. आई कैन नॉट फोर्स यू.
प्लीज कंटिन्यू.
तो मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछने दीजिए सर. Sir, I would also like to know, will the Hyderabad metro train run mini buses? कुछ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है क्या उनके साथ? आने के बाद क्या उनको परमिशन देंगे क्या आप? एंड ऑल्सो सर, लास्टली सर, हाउ मेनी CNG buses are there in the fleet of buses running in GHMC area, sir? And is there any proposal or plan to buy new CNG buses in GHMC area to reduce the pollution, sir? Sir, it is a very dangerous, sir. कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड आ रहा है साहब बसेस में से. एक RTC बस के पीछे अगर कोई ऑटो या टू व्हीलर जाता है साहब, उसका मुंह काला हो जाता है. बस के लिए ठहरते हैं साहब, तो बस के ठहरने के वक्त में आधे घंटे तक बस नहीं आती साहब. सर, एंड व्हेन वी आर गोइंग कैशलेस, हाईटेक सिटी एरिया है, ऑफिसेस है, व्हाई डोंट वी टॉक टू देम, व्हाई डोंट वी हैव अ मीटिंग विद देम, एंड यू नो वी कैन गिव देम सम कार्ड, or we can have some machine over there with which they can just swipe and go in the buses, and the buses can be made conductorless, at least for that area. This is needed. Sir, one more thing is that we need to have some new dedicated lanes for buses, at least not in the city, sir. Wherever the city is expanding, wherever they are going to submit their layout plan for sanction of those plots and that locality, we can say that it is compulsory and mandatory that the main road should be this much. And the most important thing which I want to bring to your kind notice is that, sir, bade buses to bahut hai. Main thing I want to bring to your kind notice through you to the government is that, sir, we need mini buses. छोटे buses होना है साहब. छोटे बसेस रहे ना साहब, तो गलियों में से लोग ऑटोज में बैठकर आ रहे हैं, 40 50 रुपए देके मेन रोड पर आते हैं मेन बस स्टॉप पे बस लेने के लिए. आप छोटे मिनी बसेस को लाइए, और मिनी बसेस को कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पे ले रहे हैं साहब. इज इट राइट और रॉन्ग? व्हाई आर वी नॉट परचेजिंग मिनी बसेस? मिनी बसेस ओल्ड सिटी में मिनी बसेस होना है साहब. सेटविन इज ऑल्सो रनिंग मिनी बसेस. Why don't we all sit together? If the Honorable Minister Sahab doesn't have the time to reply to all my questions, through you lastly, sir, I would like to request that to see this problem of buses and the requirement of new buses and waiving and taking off the old buses, a meeting can be called of city legislatures. We can sit together, have a discussion and see that how best we can improve the city RTC. This is what I want to bring to a notice, sir. Thank you, sir.
Mumtaz Ahmed Khan garu.
Well, Speaker, sir. So through you, I just want to bring three things, sir. I thank, firstly, I thank the Honorable Minister for agreeing for calling for a meeting of our legislatures and also the city legislatures to see and address to the issues raised and the problem faced by the RTC in GHMC area, sir. Sir, secondly, sir, my request is that earlier, previously, in all the bus stops and all the buses, sir, Urdu, it used to be written in Urdu also. Urdu में लिखा हुआ रहता था कि ये बस इधर जा रही उधर जा रही. At least in Muslim dominated areas, wherever the buses are going, Urdu को रखिए साहब, ये आपसे मेरी दरखास्त है. Sir, thirdly, sir, the most important thing is that, sir, in the year 2015 and 16, 827 accidents involving RTC buses, which has resulted to 402 deaths, sir. Sir, in that, sir, the RTC doesn't make a note of a separate as to how many people died trying to get down from the running buses. Kindly give instructions that this should also be noted down. Because you know, so what is happening, everybody is counting this as if the RTC buses are killing so many people. But many people are dying because they try to get down from the running buses also. So this is also needed, sir. And lastly, sir, the most important thing which I want to bring to the kind notice is that, sir, there is a requirement of mini buses, sir. Small mini buses. We should buy maximum number of mini buses, and so that the RTC comes into profit. And I'm sure if mini buses are being bought, RTC will come into profit. Honorable Minister Saab had given most of the replies to my question. Few he hasn't given. The most important is that, sir, the RTC buses are causing lot of pollution. I have the details of to how many old buses are running. When the meeting is being conducted, that time I will give it to him, sir. I thank you very much for giving this opportunity. Kindly tell Honorable Minister, sir, ये assembly खत्म होने से पहले ही मीटिंग बुला लिए तो मेहरबानी होगी. नहीं तो मीटिंग बुलाते बोलते साहब वो जमाना हो जाता, वो मीटिंग आती नहीं होता नहीं. यही असेंबली में बुला लो, बोले साहब we'll just sit for half an hour, that's it, sir. Thank you, sir.
ఓవైసీ గారు ఏదైతే ఈ మంత్ ఎండింగ్లో మీటింగ్ పెట్టమని చెప్తున్నారు, ఈ అసెంబ్లీలోనే తప్పకుండా వారందరినీ కూడా పిలిచి మీటింగ్ పెడతాము. ఏదైతే ఇంకా మరి మినీ బస్సులు కూడా కావాలని అంటున్నారు, మరి వచ్చే నెలలో కూడా మినీ బస్సులు వస్తున్నాయి కాబట్టి ఎన్నైతే అవసరం ఉందో ఓల్డ్ సిటీలో ఆ బస్సెస్ కూడా తప్పకుండా నడుపుతాం అధ్యక్ష. ఏదో ఆర్టీసీ సిఎన్జి బస్సెస్ కూడా 131 బస్సులు ప్రస్తుతానికి నడుస్తున్నాయి. ఉర్దూలో కూడా మరి పెట్టాలని చెప్పి అంటున్నారు. తప్పకుండా ఉర్దూలో పెట్టి మరి ఈ సెక్షన్ నడుస్తున్నప్పుడే ఎమ్మెల్యేలందరూ కూడా పిలిచి ఈ గ్రేటర్ హైదరాబాద్లో ఉన్నటువంటి అదేవిధంగా ఓల్డ్ సిటీలో ఏదైతే ఇబ్బందులు ఉన్నాయో తప్పకుండా వారు చెప్పినట్టుగా మరి ప్రజలకు ఇబ్బంది కాకుండా బస్సులు నడిపే ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాం అధ్యక్ష.